Hi, I'm Abdul, the Senior Joe Developer of Infidar IT Solutions. Today in this tutorial, I will try to cover the details about how to create a layout in Zoho CRM for any specific module. So let's get started. Visit crm.zoho.com. Now I am going to create the layouts under lead module. So there are two ways we can create the layouts. Either we can create leads, then create new leads. When creating new leads, just we can click edit new page details, and you see these are the fields for standard layout. So I can go here and then I can create a new layout. Okay. And I can give a name of the layout from here, and then I can click the settings and can give the layout permissions for different profile and roles. This is the one way I can create. The another way we can do it almost same. Click on settings, click modules and fields, then click leads. From leads you can just click layout, and you see you have only standard layout, so you can create a new layout and you can give the layout names for collecting the leads from different geographical area like African leads. African leads. So the layout is African leads, and you can give the permissions who will see the layouts for creating leads. Only the people with administrative profile or any users have the standard and sales profile or any other custom profile. It might be depend on your organizational structures. So I'm giving the permissions for all the profiles. I'm going to save it. Now the custom layout has been created successfully. Then just cancel it. For checking, I'm just clicking on leads, create a new lead, and if you want to create it under African leads, just select the African leads layout. So now the field is being created under African layouts, and now you can put the necessary information here like company name as company name, and the first name you can put any first name, no problem. Now you can put phone and all other details. All other details you can put here, and for last name you can put last name just. So now the lead has been created successfully. You see, the lead has been created successfully, and it has been created under the layout, African lead. So there is a field called layouts. You can check it from the field is layout, not standard. And if you want, you can switch these records to another layout. But before switching, you need to be sure that all the layout have the same field, otherwise you may lose any of the fields. So thanks for watching this video. So if you have anything else or any query related to the video, just put your comments Thanks.